Tired of low libido and evening fatigue? What if the secret to revitalizing your sexual energy, boosting circulation, and achieving peak male performance was a simple, delicious drink you consume before bed? Forget late-night stimulants. Today, I'm unveiling a powerful, all-natural tangerine honey ginger recipe, a natural aphrodisiac scientifically designed to help you relax, detoxify, and significantly enhance blood flow, setting the perfect stage for sexual stamina and lifelong vitality. This is the ultimate anti-aging hack for men seeking to feel strong and energized when it matters most. Keep watching now to master this potent, urologist-approved secret blend. Hello, and welcome back to Men's Health, the premier channel dedicated to science-backed strategies for achieving peak male vitality and lifelong confidence. I'm Dr. Katrina, a board-certified urologist and men's health specialist, and my mission is to provide you with the clinical truth to optimize your health through simple, powerful daily routines and proven natural performance hacks. Today, I'll show you the best recipe in the world for evening male vitality, the Tangerine Honey Ginger Energy Drink. This recipe is unique because it's specifically formulated to be consumed in the evening, leveraging ingredients that promote relaxation and vascular health simultaneously, which is key for sexual energy and recovery. Tangerine Zest, the digestive and mood enhancer. We begin by grating the vibrant zest of a tangerine using a fine grater. This initial step is crucial for extracting the potent compounds. Tangerines are rich in vitamin C and flavonoids, which profoundly support the immune system and help restore energy, a fundamental aspect of maintaining vitality and health, especially for men. The zest aids digestion and contains concentrated antibacterial essential oils. These volatile oils also have a noticeable positive effect on the skin and can significantly help improve mood, which is psychologically vital for maintaining robust sexual energy and desire. We will add the zest to a glass. The tangerine zest will not only infuse the drink with a powerful, invigorating fragrance, but will also significantly make the drink healthier by providing concentrated antioxidants. Tangerine juice, metabolic and circulatory support. Next, we cut the tangerine in half. Inside the fruit, you'll find an abundance of B vitamins, which are absolutely essential for a healthy metabolism, as well as for directly improving mood and energy levels. We then squeeze the juice from the tangerine. This freshly squeezed juice is a powerhouse that immediately strengthens the immune system, quenches your thirst, and provides a spectrum of vitamins that help fight chronic fatigue. Now is a great time to join our community. Please subscribe to Men's Health and leave a comment letting me know where you're watching from. We need a precise measurement. Take a 50 milliliters measuring cup and fill it twice. We need 250 milliliters portions, totaling 100 milliliters. Pour this juice into the glass with the zest. The concentrated tangerine juice works synergistically to enhance the vascular properties of the zest, and together, they profoundly improve circulation, which helps efficiently deliver nutrients to all organs and tissues, promoting quicker physical and sexual recovery. To supercharge this tonic into a true male performance enhancer, we introduce two of the most powerful natural ingredients for sexual vitality: ginger and honey. Ginger root, the powerful natural stimulant and detox agent. Next, we need some fresh ginger root. Ginger is celebrated globally as a powerful natural stimulant and thermogenic agent. Its vasodilatory effects, the key to optimal blood flow, are legendary. You know exactly what I mean when I say this can directly impact your sexual stamina. We must first meticulously peel the ginger. Ginger will also infuse a delightful, warming, spicy flavor to the drink. We then cut it into small cubes to maximize the surface area for infusion. We add the chopped ginger to the glass. The active compounds in the ginger root will not only enrich the flavor, but also significantly support detoxification, helping to keep the body's internal systems running cleanly and efficiently, which directly translates to feeling consistently energized and vital. Honey, the energy booster and blood vessel strengthener. Now take some natural, raw honey and add 2 tablespoons to the glass. Honey is far more than a sweetener. It's a potent natural energy booster that helps improve overall tone and resilience. It's naturally rich in essential vitamins and minerals that actively support the immune system and, crucially, help to strengthen blood vessels and improve their elasticity. We must stir all the ingredients thoroughly to let the honey fully dissolve and allow all the powerful compounds to meld together, creating a perfectly balanced flavor profile and maximizing the health benefits for men's sexual health. This stirring phase ensures the tonic is ready for the final, critical step. The final component of this evening vitality tonic is a strategic infusion that provides sustained energy and addresses key micronutrient deficiencies common in men. Dried apricots, iron, fiber, and circulatory support. Next, we need 2 to 3 dried apricots. Dried apricots are an excellent source of iron, vital for combating chronic fatigue and improving oxygen transport, and fiber. They actively support heart health, further improve circulation, and are scientifically proven to help effectively combat fatigue. We will cut the apricots into small cubes and place them in a separate small pot or heat-proof container. We then boil them in hot water for 5 minutes. This is a key step. The apricot infusion process for sexual longevity. The resulting apricot infusion is incredibly potent. This process helps to fully release all the beneficial nutrients from the apricots, dramatically enhancing the effects of the entire drink. This infused liquid not only provides a powerful dose of vitamins and minerals, but also contains natural compounds that help gently regulate blood sugar levels, preventing the late-night spikes and dips that disrupt sleep and hormonal balance, a necessary component of sexual longevity. We will then pour the apricot infusion, straining out the apricots, into the glass with the concentrated tangerine, honey, and ginger mixture. We let the entire Tangerine Honey Ginger Tonic steep for a final 15 minutes. This allows the complex flavors to reach their peak and ensures maximum extraction of all the natural performance-enhancing compounds. The evening ritual for peak male vitality. This drink is specifically formulated to be consumed in the evening. Drink it in the evening, about an hour before winding down. The unique combination of natural energy boosters, calming B vitamins, and circulatory support makes this tonic perfect for the evening. It helps you effectively relax, significantly improves your mood by reducing systemic inflammation, and by promoting healthy circulation while your body rests, it sets the stage for a great night's sleep and renewed sexual energy the following morning. Thank you for watching and investing in your men's health optimization. Be sure to subscribe to Men's Health so you don't miss out on new trending health hacks and urologist secrets. This simple ritual is the key to enduring male vitality and sexual performance. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition or health objectives. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have watched or read here. Reliance on any information provided by this video or the channel is solely at your own risk. Before starting any new diet, supplement regimen, exercise program, or making any changes to your current medical treatment, you must consult with a healthcare professional.